Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from LSSC to Cash App. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process. Before we begin, make sure you have an active LSSC account and a Cash App account set up. You'll also need a linked bank account. First, let's log into your LSSC account. Visit the LSSC website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Withdrawal section. Look for the Withdraw Funds option in the account dashboard. In the withdrawal methods, select Cash App. This will allow you to transfer funds directly to your Cash App account. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available balance. Verify that your Cash App account details are correct. Any errors could cause delays in receiving your funds. Before proceeding, take a moment to review any transaction fees that may apply to your withdrawal. Finally, confirm the withdrawal. Ensure all information is correct and press the Confirm button. Once you've confirmed your withdrawal, check your Cash App balance to ensure that the funds have been successfully transferred.